we cooked all this and then went to go see some fireworks, and now we're back, put it all together, and we're about to feast. That is super meaty.
It's like falling apart. You can't see. You cook these perfectly. This right here is my favorite potato salad in the world.
What? They said you're invited to the cookout.
Really?
You're invited to the cookout. Here's the cookout. You're invited to it. A lot of you guys say I've said triangle eye, but said triangle eye is staying. I love my triangle eye. I am back. I'm gonna try not to do so much talking this time, but right here I'm just making my my rub for my ribs. So basically I'm doing all of the usual suspects, and I'm probably not gonna repeat this throughout the video, but I use this for pretty much seasoning. I use these same seasonings for pretty much everything throughout the video, and it's garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, Cajun seasoning. I've been obsessed with Cajun seasoning lately. Lemon pepper, salt, chipotle pepper. I did ginger in this rub, which is really good. So basically for the ribs, I'm gonna put mustard all over it. You are not gonna taste the mustard, but this is what I used to do when I used to smoke meats. It's just a binder. It doesn't really, you don't taste the mustard at all. So if you're worried about that, you could use oil, any kind of other binder. And then I sprinkle the rub onto it. I pat it in. I try not to rub it. And then I sprinkle brown sugar on it. I double wrap it in foil, and then put it in the oven at 350 for about 3 hours, and it came out perfect. Okay, so now I'm gonna make my baked beans. I'm gonna start with 1 onion, and then I did about 4 jalapenos in total. I didn't cut all of them on camera, but about 4 jalapenos in total. And I took the seeds out because, and you guys are gonna see me like almost slice my hand off because I was not paying attention. I was talking, and I almost sliced my hand off, and I was like, oh, that was close. But what was I saying? And then I'm going to saute those, add ground beef, and then you guys will see the rest of it play out. Yeah. For the beans, I drained 2 cans of Bush's baked beans. Those are my favorite to like redo as far as baked beans go. And then I added like barbecue sauce, ketchup, mustard, brown sugar, honey, the seasonings, and then I added water at the end. I do not like my beans to be wet. I do not like wet beans. I don't know what it is. I don't like wet beans, so I like mine on the dry side. So I added just a little bit of water to combine all of this stuff together, and then I baked it at like 375 for like 20 minutes with the cover off. And then I'm making potato salad. Now I know potato salad is a very, very touchy subject. So basically, this is my go-to potato salad. This is my go-to potato salad recipe. Everybody does it differently. This is just how my family likes it. I do not put eggs. I do not like eggs in my potato salad, but feel free to do that. Feel free to try whatever kind of potato salad you want. And then you guys also see me add vegan mayo. Vegan mayo tastes exactly the same as mayo, and I've been sneaking it because I ran out of mayo, but I had vegan mayo. So obviously if I had regular mayo, I'd be using regular mayo, but vegan mayo tastes no different, to me anyway. And then when you add your potatoes, I try to add it to cold water or just warm, because you add your potatoes in when it's hot, you know, it splashes back at you, and that shiznit hurts. And then when you see me mix up my potato salad, I kind of mash some of it in. Like I said, I'm not going to explain too much about the potato salad, but I like it chunky and I like it mushy at the same time. But feel free to do your potato salad the consistency that you like. But the recipe is pretty simple, and I used honey instead of sugar because I didn't have any sugar. Still super duper bomb. Okay, so now I'm making my mac and cheese. This, I don't know, I was doing something different and it was actually kind of fun. It was super cheesy, as you guys are about to see, but I do add, and say half of this little cardboard thing of heavy cream. I'd say it's about a cup, and then that was about a half a cup of milk, and then I kind of let that simmer a little bit, and then I start adding all my cheese in, and you guys are going to see how cheesy and stretchy it is. And so now I'm doing my corn on the cob. I do oil, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Not too, I don't like, I don't do too much. Sometimes a little goes a long way. Okay, so now I'm gonna do my ribs. I put them on the rack so that there could be air underneath. The heat gets underneath and caramelizes the barbecue sauce underneath as well as on top. And you guys just see me like slather it up with this, and then I pop it back into the oven at 400 so it can caramelize on the top. They were super good, super delicious. And I didn't make my own barbecue sauce because I was feeling lazy. Feel free to use your own homemade barbecue sauce if you want. Otherwise, Sweet Baby Ray's is where it's at for me when I don't really want to make a barbecue sauce. And that is a wrap, you guys. If you made it this far, leave me some dancing woman emojis because I have no rhythm. I'm trying to dance in the background. Leave me some dancing emojis if you guys made it this far. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much. Today I'm going to tell you guys what we got, and then we're going to make our plates, and then we're going to get to it, y'all. So I got hot dogs over here because I am not eating ribs. Very long story. And I got corn on the cob, but look at those ribs though. Look at those ribs.
I'll eat her half.
Thank you.
I'm sure I'll eat them.
Thank you. You're very noble. You're very noble for that.
I try to be.
But those look good as hell for some at-home ribs. Anyway, at-home ribs and jalapeno cheddar cornbread, my little buns for my hot dogs, my potato salad, baked beans, mac and cheese. Could this count as like my soul food? It's 4th of July, you guys. So we basically, like, I was cooking this all day. A lot of help from this guy today. Thank you, because you guys know it is very hot cooking all this on a very hot Arizona summer day. But anyway, I'm blabbing. So we cooked all this and then went to go see some fireworks, and now we're back, put it all together, and we're about to feast. And we're drinking some. My ice melted because listen, who made the mixed drinks? Because it wasn't me, because my ice is all the way melted. Anyway, we got some Crown. We got some Crown and Coke in here, and it's 4th of July. So if you hear anything in the background, you guys already know.
You hear some gunshots.
Shut up. Shut up. So anyway, we're going to make our plates. Cheers, you guys, real quick, and we will be back.
Cheers.
All right, guys, we are back.
Holy crap.
Yes, it's time to eat.
Finally.
We're going to dig in. I'm going to
Where do we start? Are the ribs cool enough to eat?
I would do whatever you were looking for.
I think I can dig into the ribs. Give me some condiments, though, for my hot dog, though, because I will. Haters will say I can't finish my plates.
Oh my god, so much mushroom.
I got 2 plates.
You know what I like to do with my potato salad, though? Put it on said hot dog. Oh my god.
Yeah, I think I'm going to start with the ribs. Well, there goes the first bone. Fall off the bone ribs, right? It's a good sign. Oh, there goes the outside bone. Dang. Alright, come on. About to get real messy.
That is super meaty.
It's like falling apart. As you can't see, you cook these perfectly.
They look really good. I don't try to. Okay. I didn't mean to make them like super fall apart, because I know some people like a little bite to it.
Let me slow down.
You're like, I realized that this could, we could.
Yeah, let me slow down. So I could very easily finish that right now. Yeah, I could easily finish a rack of ribs right now.
Oh my gosh. Everything. This right here.
This right here is my favorite potato salad in the world.
What? I feel like every time I make potato salad, I used to make potato salad so often.
Yes. I'm like, I'd wake up and like it. Those nights where you wake up in like the middle of the night and you're looking for a snack, I'd walk to the kitchen, open the big bowl of homemade potato salad. I just, yeah, it's the best.
I've done that too, actually.
Everyone's done it.
It's so addicting.
Mac and cheese. Jalapeno cornbread we have.
I really believe, like,
There's literally so much goodness to go around, and haven't even touched the baked beans yet.
I know. When I do these feasts, it's like kind of hard to not play favorites because there's so much.
It's like, what do you say? It's corn.
I want to talk right now, guys. I do, but oh my. Ugh. When something is so good, like I just like wish I could relay it.
Alright, give me some beans.
Oh, I thought I put beans on your plate. Okay, let me
How about some beans? With the jalapenos.
here, grab a little bit more.
Yes, please.
There you go.
Thank you.
Like, I love you guys so much.
I'm pushing these ribs.
I'm like, yeah, whatever. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm getting tipsy already. I'm tipsy. But it is 4th of June.
And this is a feast. This is a feast.
This is a mother feast.
This is like a family cookout.
That's why we
And
got
there
the
were
paper plates.
And there were like a dozen of us.
We brought the paper plates to the family
Right.
cookout.
And there was a dozen of us. Nobody would be talking.
Nobody. I wouldn't be talking. We got to talk for the mukbang part, but this we're a corner in the room right now. Everybody picked their spot to eat. No one would be talking. As soon as I start talking, I get more full.
I really don't want to talk.
I know.
This is so good.
I know you don't, but
Thank you so much. I'm trying to do a little bit of everything. There's so much.
it's like a Thanksgiving plate. It's like,
Oh my god.
I can't wait for later.
Y'all have no
Wait,
idea.
it is later. It is later. So okay, so for tomorrow's plate, it's gonna be.
You guys have no idea what Thanksgiving is like because she wasn't on YouTube for last Thanksgiving, so
I was actually.
we didn't do a video.
I didn't do a video because I didn't know. Like people did this, and I was still very new to like the mukbang community, and I didn't know like people did their Thanksgiving meals. I remember watching one family was like, or they had the camera. Basically, they're all eating like the whole family. That is dedication right there. Like have the whole family.
Ooh, I got the mac and cheese, beans,
Mm.
on the cornbread.
Did you read the comments in the soul food video where you're stacking your cornbread? They
the
said
green?
you're invited. Yeah, they said you're invited to the cookout.
Really?
You're invited to the cookout. Here's the cookout. You're invited to it.
That
Dude, this is so good.
ooh. Ooh. There's no price to being invited to the cookout. That is it.
I got my makeup
That's
on
an
today.
achievement.
Yay! Y'all, you guys are so sweet. You guys are so sweet and supportive. Everybody's like, oh, you look good without makeup. You shouldn't wear your makeup. And I love those comments. I do. I love them dearly. But I love my makeup too. But yeah, I decided to wear. I love makeup. I do love makeup. And that's the joys of being a woman. You can wear makeup, you can not wear makeup. Either way, you feel beautiful inside. Doesn't matter what anybody else feels. So, hope you guys like my makeup today. A lot of you guys say I have a said triangle. A lot of you guys say I have a said triangle. Why can't I say it?
Triangle?
triangle. A lot of you guys say I've said triangle eye, but said triangle eye is staying. I love my triangle eye. I like my over contoured face, but I also do like my natural face. I wear it a lot off of camera, obviously, but I think as a woman, do what you do, boo. Okay?
Those ribs.
I'm supposed to chew. Yes to the ribs?
Actually, yes to everything.
Yes. Yes to everything was yes. Let me grab a little from the side.
I will say, I think the corn is looking at me, so.
We had to add the vegetables in because you know we like to eat healthy over here, y'all.
Yeah.
Hit that thumbs up right now if you're a healthy eater.
Like us?
Like us. Super healthy. You know, you guys don't actually know this, but we actually eat a lot of salad off camera. I mean, probably not like the healthiest way to make a salad, but I've been super obsessed over this salad place lately called Salad and Go. If you're in Phoenix, you know. It might be other locations too, but I've been so obsessed with it because I just love salad. I love salad. Why'd you look at me? You look at me like you're
Fork
like
down.
You look at me like, oh shit, dropped a fork on camera.
It might be enough then for the mac and cheese, beans, potato salad.
I think
Ribs.
I'm gonna finish this plate and then we're gonna call it a wrap on that.
Nap time.
Bedtime.
How about what? 12 o'clock. I can keep going.
Don't overstuff yourself.
Cause I do that.
Yeah. He will do it, you guys.
And then I'll get off camera and be like, I'm thirsty. I'll drink like a glass of water.
And then it's a wrap.
And then I'm laying down.
But
Yeah.
always a huge shout out to Chris because
I'm chopped.
he just
done.
eats it. Yeah. I'm done. I feel like this part is always so quick, but you gotta realize, you guys, I'm actually cooking, then setting up, and it's a lot. But I want to say thank you guys, everybody who's joined me right now. If you're still here in the comments, corn emojis? I'm trying to think of the emojis that we have.
American flag.
Yes, what the hell was I thinking? Okay, if you guys are still here, drop the American flag right now. I want to say happy 4th of July to everybody. I hope you guys are having a super safe, super fun 4th of July. I'm talking like a weirdo because there is corn in my teeth and I feel it and it is awkward.
You need a PBR.
Very awkward. But yeah, let's cheers. Cheers to all you guys joining us for this video today. I love you guys so freaking much.